Dear students, now I'm going to discuss map, continent and ocean. Okay, and first map. Earth is a huge place. Without map, we wouldn't know where anything is. The world map shows different places and features. Okay, and the world map shows the large picture of the Earth's surface.
The earliest map made by the Babylonians in about 600 BC. And the first map are created by Anaximander, the Greek philosopher, in the 6th century BC. The word map comes from the Latin word mappa, which means napkin, cloth or sheet. We know the globes and maps are important for our proper understanding of Earth. They help us to locate the places easily. Globes and maps have greatly helped in the field of navigation.
There are 7 continents in the world. The geographers has divided the earth into 7 continents or landmasses. Each of them has different culture and different characteristics.
Continents are very large landmasses found on Earth. The Earth has 7 such continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the world's largest and most populous continent. It covers 30% of the Earth's landmass and hosts 60% of the world's current human population. Asia, along with Europe, form the world's largest landmass, Eurasia, divided by the Ural Mountains. By water, it is bounded on 3 sides by the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Africa is the second largest and also the second most populated continent in the world. The continent of Africa covers 20.4% of the world's total land area and accounts for 14.72% of the world's human population. It is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Red Sea. Africa is widely regarded to be the continent where humans originated. It is located on the equator and experiences a number of climatic changes. North America is the third largest continent. It occupies 16.5% of the world's landmass and homes 7.8% of the world's population. It is surrounded by 4 water bodies: the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. South America is the 4th largest continent in terms of area. It is also the 5th most populous continent. It is bordered on the west by the Pacific Ocean and to the north and east by the Atlantic Ocean. South America is home to the world's highest waterfall, the largest river by volume, the longest mountain range, and many other geographical wonders. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the area. About 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice that averages about 1.6 kilometers in thickness. It is the coldest, driest and windiest continent. Antarctica is considered a desert with only 8 inches of rainfall in a year. People live here only for research purpose. Temperatures in Antarctica can drop to as low as minus 89 degrees Celsius. It is home to a variety of penguin species. Europe, by convention, is one of the world's 7 continents divided from Asia by the Ural Mountains. It covers about 6.8% of the Earth's surface area and accounts for 11% of its population. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea. Australia is the smallest and lowest lying human-inhabited continent on Earth. As it is mostly on a single landmass, It is also referred to as an island continent surrounded by oceans.
Have you seen sea or ocean? Do you like to play in sea? Yes, in this world we can see 5 important oceans. Now I am going to discuss oceans with the help of globe. In this globe, blue color oceans. Okay. Indian Ocean. Then North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean, then North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean.
About 70% of the surface of the earth is ocean water, and it's divided up in 5 parts from biggest to smallest. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic. Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
I'm the Pacific, to be specific. I'm a third of the Earth's surface where my turf is, and my Mariana Trench is the very, very deepest in the sea.
And I'm the Atlantic, named after the Greek god Atlas, with the Bermuda Triangle and the Gulf Stream in me.
I'm the Indian Ocean, I'm the warmest around.
And I'm the Southern Ocean, where Antarctica is found.
And I'm the Arctic, the smallest and the shallowest. But that's fine, you see, I've got more ice than you've ever seen. Even polar bears walk on me. We're the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Arctic.
Now I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you to all. Have a nice day.